Welcome back to Culver's Mini Projects. Paige and I are going to be putting a hose reel up by the house. We put one in at the pool house. We loved it so much we want to put another one in the back of the house and one in the front of the house. So Paige is going to help me out this afternoon. Here's what we're using. It's called a hose link. It's an 82-foot hose, and I think it's I don't know if it's 5/8 or if it's 3/4, but we fell in love with it. We love it. We can put a link in there for this. It's something you can buy on Amazon. It's got pretty good reviews. We're going to need a screw gun. I got some screws, a level. We use some post hole diggers. You can attach this directly to the house, but that's kind of not my style. I don't like blowing holes in my house. So I'm going to set a post, level it in, tamp it down, and then we'll mount this to the post. So let's get started. Take this knife, get this open up, and unbox. I'm going to go up here, and you can see right here's a great example. Here's the hose, laying in the way, rolled up. The fool did a pretty good job putting it back, but still, it's just a pain. And so having a hose reel that we can pull out and water all the time is going to be perfect. So I'll go up here. There's actually matting underneath all this stone, so we don't have to weed it. I'll go up there, I'll pull the stone away, and then I'll have to borrow your knife. I'll cut the matting underneath it, and then really start digging a hole to 7 or 6 by 6 posts. I've got the matting cleared out here, so I'm not exactly sure what would be best. Looking around at windows, things like that. I think I want to be the further this way, maybe the better. And we're hooking up to this water spigot right here. So, I really think I'll be okay cutting a circle instead of an X. That's okay. I don't know. I think that way it folds down. I'll go ahead and cut an X. I'll see if I can dig. So just cut this. I just need enough width. Get my slop sticks in there. Okay. We're going to take this bucket. We're going to be digging a hole here. I don't want to put a bunch of dirt onto our stone, so I'll just fill this bucket so we can backfill with the same dirt that we excavate. So that'll go there. And Paige, I'll give you this knife back. Ah! Ah! Stay down. Oops. The trick with these post hole diggers is you want to hit them down until you can see that the dirt is up to the top of the digger. Now I'll have a full scoop there. Because this is hard on your shoulders pulling that out. So I always scoop until I have a full shovel, I guess, or a full scoop. I dug my hole. I ran out of room in my bucket, so I used the box to put a little bit more in there. So if you look right here, we dug down 3 feet. So a 3 foot down. So that means that if we stick a post in the ground, if we go down 3 feet, we probably want that post to be up, maybe top of the post at right here. So we'll say that that's 7 foot. So we need a 7 foot post. So Peyton, why don't you come with me and we'll go cut one. Here's our 6x6 post. It's so straight. Most of these are kind of wonky. I don't know. I've used all my wonky ones. This one ain't bad, but let's cut this. We want to go 7 foot, right, Peyton?
Yeah.
Alrighty. 7 foot. It's right there. Been keeping a speed square with me, so I'll use it. Cut as straight as I can. Might end up making this the bottom, but let's take this back. Look at that splinter. Whoops. I'll have to pull that out. I can't bend my finger.
Oh!
Ooh, look how pointy. Nice. It's not even really bleeding. Ouch. Alright. I'm going to run this at a 45. I'll put the flat face pointed right out where we're going to be using it. So it's going to go right here. See that?
Yeah! That's Paige's height.
Paige, you want to grab the sledgehammer?
Yeah, I'm pounding this thing in the ground.
We're going to thump it a couple times. Do you know that little miniature red shovel in the barn? Like for kitty size? It's seriously like this long. It's red. Go get us a little shovel. We can just scoop a little sand in here, would you please?
It's in the garage?
Yeah.
You're going a lot. Oh my.
And all I'm doing, Peyton, is just leveling this guy in, which is pretty level as it sits. So I like it. I like it. I just can't seem to wait for Paige, so I'm just putting a little sand in this hole. Start backfilling. Slow and easy. Yes, just a dash of paprika. The worst. Okay, nothing compacts sand better than water, so let's use the hose that's here. Get that in there. Oh, that looks really good.
Dad, there's no little red shovel.
No?
All I found that was somewhat little.
Okay.
Dad said to go get a little red shovel. Stop! You put too much.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think, Peyton?
Good.
Got her filled back in. Wash my hands a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start putting some of this stone back in around, just around this. Got some leaves in here. Okay.
What are you gonna do with the extra dirt?
With the extra dirt, I'll probably just dump it in the woods over there. I did not want it in my way. But that's good. Nice solid post. We'll put this here, Paige. And we want the top of this to be like, I don't know, maybe about this high. We don't want to block the view. So something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so take that out of my hands, could you? Because I've got it marked with my hand. Got it? Alright, so we're going to go right here. That'll be top of our bracket. So I'll make a little line. Paige, you want to give me the screw gun and the mounting bracket, that black thing, that black plastic thing you had? Paige, set that down.
Yeah, I got to put it up. Not full.
Yeah. And then the screw gun, please. Peyton, you ready for this?
Got videotaping the whole time.
Okay. This is, they send you these little lags here. Those aren't bad, but I think I'll use these. These are 4 inchers, and I think they're going to fit better. This looks like it's the top, so I want that right about there. So let's get this dude mounted. Pretty little level there, Peyton, right there. That seem good to you? I think I like it. That's it, Peyton. Whoops. Here, Paige. Like that. Can I give you the level? Alright, The new hose link is hooked up. Paige, do you have a nozzle? Got a nozzle for us?
Spray it at Pete.
Let's see if it works, Peyton.
If you spray it at me, you get your phone wet.
It's got to go through 100 foot of hose here, 82 feet. Oh, I don't even hear air. Oh, there it goes.
Oh my goodness.
Good?
Yeah. She was afraid. Shut up.
So now we can pull this out. And then when it's clicking, it'll lock. There you go. Lock. And then come over here. Do a little spraying. Do some watering. You know, no big deal. Oh, yeah. We could actually go around the corner with that stuff. Spray this stuff, whatever. Then when I'm ready to put it away, give her a tug. Wait till it's not clicking. Oop, it's still clicking.
Dad, do you need help?
No. There it goes. Lock it in. Boom. And that concludes our project for the afternoon. Nice work, Paige.
Oh yeah.
All right. Hey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more content. We really appreciate you guys watching. See you later.
Ah.